Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.